Welcome to your English section with Teacher Isidra in this YouTube channel and Postcat TVG. Today we're going to start with the alphabet, the sounds of the consonants, because we know the names of the letters, but sometimes we don't know how they sound. So we are going to start with the letter B. That's the name of the letter, but the sound is B. B. For example, we have some words like boss, boss, ball, ball, bed, bed. That way you can know how to pronounce some words when you see the letters. The next one is, like the alphabet goes, C. That's the name of the letter, C. But the sound is K. K. For example, car, car, cat, cat, carrot, carrot. The next one is the letter D. That's the name of that letter, D, but the sound is the. For example, dog, dog, day, day, dad, dad. To continue with the next one is the letter F. That's the name of the letter, but the sound is F. F. For example, flower, flower, fish, fish, fox, fox. The next one is the letter G. That's the name, G, but the sound is G, G. For example, girl, girl, go, go, give, give. Next one, H. That's the name of the letter, H, but the sound is For example, house, house, ham, ham, humble, humble. The next one is J. That's the name of the letter, J. But the sound is J, J. For example, jelly, jelly, jar, jar, Jacob, Jacob. The next one is K. That's the name of the letter, K. But the sound is K, K. For example, kilo, kilo, kite, kite, kiss, kiss. To continue, we have the letter L. That's the name of the letter, L. But the sound is O, O. For example, lemon, lemon, lady, lady, lamp, lamp. To continue, the next one is the letter M. That's the name of the letter, M. But the sound is M. M. For example, moon, moon, mouse, mouse, mom, mom. The next one is the letter N. That's the name of the letter, N. But the sound is N. N. For example, never, never, night, night, nest, nest. The next one is the letter P. That's the name of the letter, P. But the sound is P. P. For example, poster, poster, piano, piano, play, play. To continue with the letter Q, that's the name of the letter, but the sound is Qu. Qu. For example, queen, queen, quarter, quarter, quiet, quiet. So the next one is the letter R. That's the name of the letter, R. But the sound is R. For example, rose, rose, rice, rice, river, river. The next one is the letter S. That's the name of the letter, S. But the sound is S. S. For example, silver, silver, sister, sister, sad, sad. To continue, we have the letter T. That's the name of the letter, T. But the sound is T. T. For example, tomato, tomato, time, time, tree, tree. To continue, the letter V. That's the name of the letter, V. But the sound is V. V. For example, violin, violin, voice, voice, victim, victim. The next one is the letter W. The name is W, but the sound is W. W. For example, water, water, Washington, Washington, wet, wet. The next one is the letter X. That's the name of the letter, X. But the sound is X. X. For example, box, box, X-ray, X-ray, fox, fox. The next one is the letter Y. That's the name of the letter, Y. But the sound is Y. Y. For example, yo-yo, yo-yo, year, year, you, you. And the last one, the letter Z. That's the name of the letter, Z. but the sound is z, z. For example, zebra, zebra, zero, zero, zoo, zoo. It's very interesting to see how the sound of some letters are like the same as the name, but some of them are really different or a little bit. I hope you can practice the sound of the consonants in the alphabet, and then you can let me know, for example, in your comments, what would you like to learn in the next video. Recuerden, por favor, suscríbanse al canal, denle a la campanita para recibir las notificaciones, practiquen los videos y continúen con su canal de YouTube en Podcast TVG. Hasta la próxima.